Stop! Quit buying that sad limp spinach from the store. Grow your own instead. I bet you didn't know you could harvest a jungle of fresh, happy spinach leaves right from your balcony, patio, or even a windowsill. If you've ever thought gardening was intimidating, or that you needed a backyard to grow your own food, you're about to be pleasantly surprised. The best part? You don't need fancy gear, just a wide pot, good drainage, and quality organic soil. Pre-moisten your mix, toss in some seeds, and you're on your way. This video is your step-by-step guide to growing spinach in pots. No jargon, no judgment, just fun. From seed to salad, I'll show you how to grow the freshest, happiest spinach you've ever tasted. Ready to become a spinach superstar? Grab your pots, your seeds, and your sense of adventure. Let's get growing. Your spinach journey starts now. Picture this. You're a spinach seed, dreaming of growing up big and leafy. But wait, Mother Nature's got mood swings. Spinach is basically Goldilocks. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. If it gets too toasty, spinach throws a fit and refuses to grow. So when should you plant? Let's break it down. The best time to plant spinach is early spring or fall. Think of it as spinach's happy hour. In spring, the soil's warming up, but the air is still cool. And in fall, the ground's cozy from summer, but the air's got that crisp sweater weather vibe. Plant outside these windows, and your spinach might just stage a protest. Here's the problem. If summer heat hits, spinach bolts, literally. It shoots up flowers and seeds faster than you can say salad. Not only does this make your spinach taste like it's holding a grudge, but it also means the plant's done making those tasty leaves. Once spinach bolts, it's all about the flowers and seeds. The leaves? They get tough and bitter, like overcooked kale. So, if you want sweet, tender spinach, keep it cool and plant at the right time. Now let's talk soil, the spinach equivalent of a 5-star hotel. Organic soil is where it's at. It's loaded with nutrients, holds just enough water, and drains like a dream. Your spinach will feel pampered, and you'll feel like a gardening genius. Nutrient-rich soil is spinach's secret sauce. Add compost or well-rotted manure, and you're basically giving your plants a spa day. Strong roots, lush leaves, and a garden that makes your neighbors jealous? Yes, please. The result? Spinach that's strong, healthy, and ready to take on the world, or at least your salad bowl. Healthy plants mean fewer pests, more leaves, and bragging rights at your next garden party. And here's the bonus. Organic soil is good for the planet. You're not just growing spinach, you're saving the world, one leaf at a time. Fewer chemicals, happier soil critters, and a garden that's as sustainable as it is delicious. Now that's what I call a win-win. Ready to grow your own spinach jungle? First up, grab some organic spinach seeds. Your local garden center is a treasure trove. Hunt for those green gems. There's a spinach for every taste, tiny baby leaves or big, bold greens. Want tender baby spinach? Go small. Craving monster leaves? Go big. Not sure which to pick? Ask the pros, they love to help. Now pots. Make sure they're at least 6 inches deep. Your spinach roots need room to boogie. And don't forget drainage holes. Spinach hates wet feet. Happy roots, happy shoots. That's the secret to spinach success. Want spinach that grows like it's on steroids? It all starts with the right potting mix. Skip the guesswork. Grab a bag of organic potting mix from your local garden center. Trust me, your spinach will thank you. Don't even think about using soil from your backyard. That stuff's a pest party waiting to happen. You don't want to invite bugs and diseases to your spinach spa, do you? Next, give your potting mix a good drink, just enough to make it damp, not a swamp. If it's as moist as a wrung-out sponge, you nailed it. And voila, you're ready to plant like a pro. Your spinach dreams start here. All right, spinach squad, let's get those seeds in the soil. Step 1, grab your tiny spinach seeds and channel your inner gentle giant. These little guys are easy to drop, so handle with care. Next, make a small hole about 1/2 inch deep. Think the width of your pinky nail. Drop in a seed and give each one about 1 inch of personal space. No crowding at this party. If you get a little overexcited and plant too many, don't worry. You can always thin them out later, just like editing your friend list. Now tuck your seeds in with a cozy layer of potting mix. Think of it as their bedtime blanket. And finally, water gently. No tidal waves. Just enough to moisten the soil without sending your seeds on a wild ride. Attention, spinach enthusiasts! Are you ready to turn those tiny seeds into lush, leafy greens? Let's dive into the secret sauce of spinach success, nurturing your seedlings. First up, location, location, location. Spinach loves the sun almost as much as you love fresh salad. Find a sunny spot. Think of it as booking your spinach a 5-star vacation. If you're in a super hot climate, give your plants a little afternoon shade so they don't feel like they're sunbathing in the Sahara. Now let's talk hydration. Spinach needs at least 6 hours of sunlight a day, but it also craves a steady drink. Water regularly, but don't drown your plants. Spinach likes its soil moist, not soggy. Think of it as making a perfect cup of tea. Not too dry, not too wet, just right. Poke your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time for a drink. Overwatering? That's a no-no unless you want your spinach to take up synchronized swimming. Want superstar spinach? Mix in some compost. It's like a multivitamin for your plants, improving soil structure and giving your spinach the nutrients it needs to flex those leafy muscles. Happy soil, happy spinach, happy you. Here comes the magic. Your seeds will sprout in about a week. Watch for those tiny green shoots poking up like little green superheroes. It's the start of something delicious, so keep cheering them on, and don't forget to keep up the TLC. When your seedlings have a few true leaves, it's time for the big move, thinning. Yes, it sounds dramatic, but it's just giving your spinach some elbow room. Pull out the extras so the rest can stretch, breathe, and avoid catching any plant colds. Overcrowding is so last season. Thinning means bigger, better spinach for you. Keep up the regular watering, sunshine, and a sprinkle of encouragement. Before you know it, you'll be harvesting a bounty of fresh, homegrown spinach, enough to make even Popeye jealous. Meet the spinach villains, aphids and slugs. They love your greens as much as you do. But don't worry, you're about to become a garden superhero. Step 1. Arm yourself with organic weapons, like trusty neem oil. It's safe, natural, and packs a punch. Step 2. Read the label. Every hero needs a game plan. You'll find neem oil at most garden centers. Just follow the instructions. Step 3. Spray those leaves. Watch the pests run for cover. Your spinach is safe and sound. And just like that, you're the hero of your own organic garden. Safe for you, safe for the planet, and fun for everyone. Stop everything! Your spinach is ready to party in just about a month. When those leaves look snackable, it's harvest time for everyone. No invitation needed. Don't wait for Spinachilla. Pick them when they're just right. Snip the outer leaves with flair. Scissors are your magic wand. Leave those baby inner leaves. They're the future of your spinach party. This is the legendary cut-and-come-again method, your ticket to endless greens. Celebrate. You've got fresh spinach for weeks. Share the joy and maybe a salad or two. You did it! Your spinach is thriving and so are you. Welcome to the club of homegrown heroes. Spinach isn't just a leafy green, it's a nutritional superstar, loaded with more power than your morning coffee. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and magnesium, spinach is basically nature's multivitamin. Toss it in salads, blend it in smoothies, or swirl it into pasta. Spinach makes every meal a power meal. Got extra? Freeze it. Your future self will thank you when fresh greens are just a zip away. Growing your own food isn't just smart, it's downright joyful. Every leaf is a little victory. And here's the real secret sauce. Every thriving garden needs a generous sprinkle of love, and maybe a pep talk or two for those stubborn plants. So roll up those sleeves, get your hands gloriously dirty, and let your green thumb shine. Got a quirky garden hack or a tip that makes your plants do a happy dance? Share it with us using #Rhokins Homestead on your favorite social media. If you had fun and learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell because the garden party is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out with me at Rhokins Homestead, your go-to spot for all things green and growing. Let's dig in and grow together. Happy gardening!